Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys an unboxing of this Dollar General Days of Beauty beauty box. Beauty from the inside out. Let's open it together and see what's inside. On the inside lid, it has a special note about the event, and then inside it's filled with lots of goodies to try out. This one caught my eye. It's a Maybelline Fast Gel Nail Polish. And these are products that are available at Dollar General. This one is called Holograph Glitter. Wow, that's really pretty. Let's see what else is in here. We've got these 3 scrunchies. They're really soft. Jamaican Castor Oil, Soften, Detangle, and Style. It's a leave-in conditioner. Wow, that's really good. I need it for my curly hair. This one is a styling spiking glue. We also have this little lotion. This is perfect to keep in my purse. Original Healing Lotion. From the brand Shea Moisture, we've got this coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie. Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. This one is 3 ounces. And that's the brand Aunt Jackie's. Here we've got Neutrogena Makeup Remover Towelettes. From the brand CoverGirl, this is a foundation. This one is in the shade Creamy Natural 120. I've never tried this foundation before. Another hair product, we have this leave-in cream, Moisture Miracle. And this is a really big tub. From the Believe Beauty brand, which is only available at Dollar General, they sent this really cute mirror. We've got from the Kiss brand this satin wrap scarf, Eco Style hair gel. I used to use this so much for my kids when they were younger. We used to get the supersized tub because we used it a lot. From Sally Hansen, we've got this Hardest Nails, the Nail Clinic in a bottle. And this looks like it's a nail hardener. I've never tried this one either. Black Jamaican Castor Oil, Leave-In Deep Conditioner, Moisture and Growth. Wow, these are all awesome products for the hair. African Shea Butter, all natural, 100% pure. Wow, for skin and hair. I love Shea Butter. We're almost at the end. We've got this CoverGirl Clean Mascara. Very Black is the shade, and this is what it looks like. Oh, we've got another mascara. This one is from Maybelline, and it's Lash Sensational. And we've got this beautiful wrap scarf, and this is the print. It's very pretty. On the back, it shows you different ways to use the wrap on your hair. That's really pretty. And lastly, we've got this Joy, the pink one. It's a razor, and it comes with 2 cartridges. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much to Dollar General Beauty for this beautiful box. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!